I've never been exposed like this.
She is in her room.
I'm good at shutting you out. I've always had a way of keeping closed.
The keys are in my bag.
I've been calling out your name from the darkness, thinking it's too late. If you find it
We live in Mexico.
too much on your plate, I'll keep hiding, calling out your name, calling out your name.
There is milk in the fridge.
Calling out your name. Calling out your name.
My phone is on the table.
Been hiding. I've been calling out your name from the darkness, thinking it's too late.
He works in an office.
If you find it, I've been too much on your plate. I'll keep hiding, calling out your name, calling out your
I was born in 2000.
calling out your name. Tell me how you're feeling
The book is on World War II.
since you got me out in the open. Now I'm ready to dive in. I know you
They
told
are in love.
you it'd be a slow burn. Been hiding. I've been calling out your name from the darkness, thinking
We
it's
are in a meeting right now.
if you find it, I've been too much on your plate. I'll keep hiding, calling out your name.
I listen to music in English.
Calling out your name. Calling out your name.
The movie is on Netflix.
Calling out your name. Been hiding. I've been calling
She arrived in a blue dress.
darkness, thinking it's too late. If you find it, I've been too much on your plate. I'll keep hiding.
The kids are playing in the yard. I go to the gym in the morning. My food is on the plate. We travel in the summer. I have a test on Friday. She is in a good mood today. We are in danger. I saw your picture on Instagram. There are many people in the city. The clock is on the wall. They are swimming in the pool. She works in a uniform. The lights are on. We are in a hurry. He lives on an island. I have a meeting on Monday. We are in trouble. My bag is on the chair. There is snow on the mountain.
Oh baby, I wanted you to be here.
My brother lives in Venezuela.
Where the night goes down. Oh baby,
The pen is on the desk.
when the sun comes up and the day goes by.
We are in a hurry to leave. There is a photo on the fridge. I saw your message on my phone. The milk is in the bottle. There is a mark on his hand. My family is eating in the kitchen. I only read books in Spanish. He works in an office downtown. She has a ring on her finger. I have a party on New Year's Eve. She arrived in a beautiful dress. We are in danger here. He was born in Colombia. I listen to music on the radio. We have a trip in December. My notes are on the desk.